quantum mechanics gives us a way to predict the likelihood of how the wave nature of particles behave. This is called the Born rule. The rule states that the intensity of the wave at a point gives the probability of finding the particle at that point. The intensity of a wave is proportional to the square of its amplitude, which is the height of the wave. The intensity of the wave also describes the amount of energy of the wave. Quantum theory can't give us an exact position for the particle. It's truly random. However, it does tell us what the probability is for finding a particle somewhere as part of its wave description. I hope you were able to appreciate some of the remarkable results of quantum mechanics that came out of these examples. For millennia, humans have debated the nature of light and matter, whether it was continuous like a wave or discrete like a particle, only to find out that they're actually both. We don't really have an analogous experience in our lives to compare to this strange behavior, so it's hard for us to comprehend. Additionally, there is an underlying randomized behavior to all of this. We never know where a particle will be until after it has interacted with something else. For some people, this might seem a bit disconcerting since it sounds like nature isn't well defined. I'll leave you with one last thought that might actually make quantum nature a more appealing result. For intelligent, conscious beings such as ourselves, we want to know that we have free will and that we can make decisions and take actions independent of fate or a predetermined destiny. If the classical laws of physics before quantum mechanics held true, then every particle in the universe would have a definitive position and would be acting and reacting according to well-defined deterministic rules. So every action and event from the past into the future would have been predetermined. There would be no free will, and every event in the universe would unfold in only one possible way. Yet this is not the case according to quantum mechanics. There is an underpinning of randomness to everything in the universe, and nothing is perfectly predictable. If there was any possibility of free will for human beings, then the capacity for randomness would be one necessary ingredient.